Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the obvious prerequisites. Ensure the game client is up to date and that you're not on a congested network. Once done, close Genshin Impact, reboot your device, and relaunch the game to flush pending requests. This often clears short server throttles. If the error persists, toggle your connection. Switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, to isolate whether your router or ISP is causing repeated request failures and why the server rejects bursts of traffic. You now tackle intermediate causes. Clear the app cache and storage data, backup credentials first, so stale session tokens or queued requests are removed. Make sure to disable VPNs, proxies, and network filtering apps because they can rewrite or repeat requests and trigger server rate limits. Next, switch to a well-known DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to reduce lookup delays. Slower DNS can cause retries that look like too many requests, so this reduces accidental bursts. Finish by reinstalling the game if previous steps didn't help, because corrupted binaries or network modules can replay requests. Make sure you've backed up any local saves or settings. If reinstalling fails, gather timestamps, screenshots, and connection logs, then contact HoYover support so they can correlate your traffic with server events. If support is delayed, wait 15 to 30 minutes and avoid repeating heavy actions like mass pulls or repeated logins. Patience often lets server rate limits reset and prevents more errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.